Remember that fancy dress Summer had that went totally viral? Guess what? My friend was back at Marshall's and she found more dresses from the same brand. She got this one for Summer to model. So let's get it on ya. It's like the other one, only sparklier and pink. Ta-da! Let's see what sort of accessories I can come up with. Maybe this necklace will work. And maybe a princess crown. And check it out, I picked up a couple of the other dresses too. And Summer will model them for you very soon. Bye bye.